He was one of the individuals that went viral a few months ago after he was deemed the Bake It Man. This video might ring a bell. Let's go over to it.
This man will knock on my door while I dead sleep. So quick thinking, quick reflex, I'm trained. I'm a security officer.
That's the man I'm talking about. He is known as the Bake It Man. He went online and he did a video disrespecting Mavado. Now he has came out with another video apologizing to the music star. We're gonna discuss this on the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we're gonna be right back after this break, so don't move. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. He goes by the name Donnie Stewart and he went viral just a few months ago after a video of him surfaced online talking about how he took the life of an individual that came to intrude on his privacy or in order to rob him. So he took evasive action and he propelled some bullets from his firearm, and in turn that individual succumbed to his injuries, and he has been deemed a hero right across based on the fact that his quick action and his quick thinking might have led to his life being saved in that scenario. Now a number of videos have surfaced online since then of this iconic figure or so-called iconic figure, but recently, there was a new development in which he made a link with the superstar himself, Mavado, and both of them could be seen in the studios at one point in time doing a song together. But this was marred with a bit of controversy soon after. Then recently, a video surfaced online of him disrespecting Mavado, stating some homophobic things as it relates to the dancehall star. Some could have marred the entertainer's reputation, and some believe that this was just a fact of mere just trying to tear down the dancehall artist's name. However, recently he did a new video and he's stating that in his previous video what he said about the dancehall star was not true. But if you don't know what I'm talking about, or if it is the first time you're hearing about the story, let me just drag your memory a little with this video.
So the gangster, they miss him. They never know where I go on. So the man them say, where Mavado? Oh, Mavado pass out him in a room and there's some man a fan him. When the man them go in there, the man them find Mavado butt ass naked. Butt ass naked. With 5 men inside of the room. I give him CPR. No boy can't give me CPR. You have to make me dead. If I wake up out of that coma, I know says a man they make give me CPR. A serious thing. Only girl give me CPR. Okay? Say me my John. Remember me telling you, make me John. No try save me for giving me no CPR for all the man dead. Make me John. So them boy after change long time. And when I try to tell you is this, you have a next one up here hang with him named Alkaline. The two of them they are lean. The two of them are pop pill. And I smoke crack and I do the most. Saying, and this ain't a joke. Jamaica people don't know this. And you know why the man them rape my father in the club? Don't tell you why they rape him in the club, you know. He was one of the biggest rapers that cassava piece back in the days, in case you never know. You see that big bus up there, saying a soldier do it. Soldier beat the f*** out of him.
So that was what he stated in that video. As you could heard him there, he was trying to defame the name of the reggae star by stating some derogatory thing, or should I say the dancehall star himself was trying to defame his name based on some of the things he stated in the video. This could have dampened the spirit of many of Mavado's fans, but Mavado did not really come out with a video or even try to even dispute the whole entire thing that transpired. Mavado remained very silent about the whole matter, which was very good, and it just simply just slid under the carpet after some time. Now recently he came out with a new video stating that what he said in that video, it was not true, and that someone had just told him the information and he just came online and rant about it. Now when we look on the whole social media thing, social media is a very powerful tool, and this spread information much faster than even a telephone call, because this reach thousands, millions, even billions of people right across the world. So we have to be very careful at times what we put on social media or how we talk about different individuals on social media. Now he came out now with a video trying to, what should I say, retract what he stated in the previous video, and we want to share that video with you right now. I'm not sure whether or not someone from Mavado's camp gave him a page and he became fearful for his life, or he believed that someone was out to get him based on those derogatory comments that he made against the dancehall star. I'm not sure, but he remained very calm in this video and tried just to clarify what was said in the previous video.
The Jamaican people, yard and abroad, foreign people too. Yeah. The subject. This is a wagwan on top of wagwan. The other day, you see me post some things about David Brooks, David Constantine Brooks, Mavado, Gully God. Alright? Yeah, one of my idols too. People, we need to start believing everything we want to see on social media. Okay? And one of the main things when you see me in the street, when you ask me, is if Mavado get raped. That's what I mean. If I listen to everyone on the store when I see me on the street. If him get raped. No, the man never get raped. And lie some boy I tell. Some boy I eat pan the man long time, knowing that me and him go through a little thing and start feed me information. I know them boy did it. New York. LA. I never know say him have so much haters all over the place. All people I don't know call me, I tell me shit about him. When we flex it. So here me I say Mr. Brooks. I love you like my little brother. Alright? I'm not eat by you neither. I'm not have a bake you neither for no money. Okay? The baker alright, I'm good. Money is not my problem. I have 99 problem. And money ain't one. Okay? Alright. But more of the people them get it straight. And I have a whole lot more things to tell them too. But before I go any further, I want to tell all of the haters them, when you leave my spinning son, David Mavado Brooks. He never raped nobody. Pick up his son Dante. Every day I pray for Dante still. See? If I just through the police system of Jamaica no good, why them have the youth and I deal with them case like that? You see me? I mean, know it no good. For them send my brother go to prison for 1 life and 10 years before he come of age. Okay? The man spent like around 15 years in prison and them let him out one night. 10 o'clock. After 10:30 at night, them let out my brother from gun court. So the system of Jamaica can right. But big up yourself, Dante. Just go and pray, will come out. Yeah. Big up money, man. Big up yourself, money. Big up yourself, Daniela. Because they go and fix that thing, you know. And baby days, you don't forget you neither. You're not my prayer too. I'm a pray for you, you know. Yeah, man, I pray for you, man. For the world kind of unjust, you know. And we can't make money divide it. We can't make money divide it. Worst all of them time, yeah. Look how much people are dead. And you want to make money divide it? No, man, we need more love for each other. See? Chase cross. Big up yourself. They don't know so they can know you. Alright? Big up yourself. Flex on the complex, not to mention you. Baker love your youth. And I declare to the people some lot more things too. But what more of the people know, leave me spinny boy alone. Big up the father, Mavado. God bless you then. And I bless you too, you know. But you make some mistake. I have to correct them too. I have the kids them are grow up now. See? I feel them world. For me and the world done. I feel them world now. The kids them world. Yeah. But as me tell the people them, we need to stop listening and follow everything for social media. There are some guys who just go dress up for one day. Without a bungle of money on them shoulder, so I show it and I post like a money, and the money are fake. People, be real. Alright? Be real. Don't leave me spinning son alone. The man never get raped out of town. I lie the boy them I tell. Lie the boy them I tell from go real New York and go find out say the boy them a liar. Big time liar them. I mean I like liar. Mm-hmm. But Mavado, you slip. But you see when me call the phone, you should answer your phone. You should wait till 3 or 4 months after to answer your phone. That not look right. You see me I say? That kind of shady. But anyway, I understand. I have a beautiful money. I don't want the money from you again either. See? Because I declare this with the people and make them know say. Whether them talk about you say again, it wasn't true. And it's unfair to me to know say it come from my mouth to the people and not never go so. But me did already tell the people and say, hear me, hear. Me never tell nobody say me see or me no. And me did it. I just that Mavado have some haters and the haters them are pretty man them don't know and them say a way for low mean and try hurting feelings. But them a liar. You understand? The boy them a liar. And that wrong for your life for somebody them way there. See? But there's some more things to talk about on another session. We now give them it all at once. But I want to leave my Spinny son alone. Mavado, David Brooks, so don't leave him alone, please. Not through the baker said this, you know, oh, the baker said this, the baker said that. The baker said him here. And some boy run up in our business and I go and let them know people like that. Them boy for sit down with some broke hungry boy when I have nothing. So I said, the life not mean nothing. You see? Big up yourself, baby Daisy, a your world. You hear me? I said, Daisy, a your world. We have to pay a big for living right now. Alright. I love the kids then. I'm gonna like liar people. So big up yourself in my spinning. I hope I think that you them talk about your son, not go so lie the pussy them I tell about your son. Excuse my language. I lie them I tell about your son. Nobody no rape your son out of town. Me and them have some going over music cafe. I know people business that neither. See? And I don't even body business, I'm me and him business that. But I don't want you have no feelings like so. I don't hate you, me youth. I hate you, man, you're mad, man. Joey Brooks, big up yourself. You know what the baker is. I tell you, big up yourself. The baker just there about a little things still, you know. But Dante, right now, you hear me out, go and pray, yeah? God will help you. Jamaica police system and the whole judicial system need to fix. And them things they put Mavado brain under pressure. You hear people talk this and talk about there's no way a man go have him son in them situation and feel good. Or him family. That's a pressure your brain. But me youth, if that's a pressure your brain, all you have to do is step to the baker and say right there, baker, right there, and then you're good. You see me, I make a mistake, I will kill a feet neither. We can make millions of hits, sir. See? I make millions of dollars. But we can't make the money separate from my lad. See? I mean, I big up all of your kids, them when I don't know too. So I tell the world, I'm going to leave my spinning son alone. God bless your father, Mavado. God bless you, dead man. But as I said, we need to stop follow social media and stop follow the bullshit and the whole of things. We have too much hating go on. Go to God, I'm a singer from a long time. Can't tell I'm a singer from a long time. And hold it more. I love all of the man who singing in the music industry. But it's not an easy road. You see me I say? Big up Bojo and all of them man. You see me I say? They know how the baker is, and I big up the whole lot of them. I love them, you know. Remember that. We enough to make money separate, you know. See? For the people who have the money, but have the real money, them deal with the thing different.
Well, there you have it. The Bake It man himself, Guinness, giving his view as it relates to what transpired in his previous video. Now, in his previous video, he had stated some derogatory things about the dancehall star, some of which would have smeared the dancehall entertainer's career totally if people had upped onto the train and took what he said very seriously. Now he is apologizing in this video right now, and I just want to say, on social media, you can't go out there and say things about people, especially when they are a public figure. I don't know what transpired leading up to the whole entire situation, but he stated that Mavado must have owed him some money as it relates to the track that he worked on with Mavado during that whole publicity of the whole Bake It thing. Now, what transpired here was very sad, and I hope that this is just an eye-opener for many, just to see how social media can spread information so fast. He is not apologizing to Mavado, because at no point in time you could hear him apologizing. He's just stating that what he said was not true in that video as it relates to what transpired in the previous video with him disrespecting Mavado and stating some real homophobic things as it relates to the dancehall entertainer's life and what transpired with him in a club when he became drunk. Now, when we look on this situation, Mavado could have took the situation far more serious, and this could be called or in turn looked at defamation of character. But in turn, Mavado remained silent about the whole entire situation, which was very good, as I said before, and he just maintained his composure and just continue to do his music. But what Mr. Stewart did was very wrong, and I believe that this video just goes to show you that some of the time it's not everything that you see on social media you believe it, because many people might have believed that what he said was true because he sounds so convincing in that previous video. And I'm really happy that he came out and did this video in order just to shed more light as it relates to the previous video that he did, and also clear the air as it relates to those misconceptions that were out there in the general public. Well, we're gonna leave this one here for now. You can just tell me what you think in the comment section. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. And I believe in this one right here. Have a blessed and productive day.